Hi guys, so as you can see I have a box here, and from the title you can tell that it is a Coach Cassie unboxing. I'm so excited. This package just arrived. I actually ordered this bag during the big 30% off sale that they're having, and this is my third Cassie. I ordered my first one last year during their sale, and that was in the pine green. And then for my birthday, I got the Aurora, the like light pink color. And I'm going to show you which one I got this time. Just for the record, I have a pet who works in the entertainment industry. So last year he did a big job, and I treated myself to the pine green Cassie. And then he's been making some money as an influencer and content creator. So I treated myself to this bag because it's Mother's Day this weekend, and I'm his mother slash momager. So basically, he bought this for me. Okay, so without further ado, let me open this. And I'm just seeing this for the first time as well. So it came with, I guess this is probably the receipt and all the other information. And I'm just gonna put this here to try and create like a little stage. Oh my gosh, it's always so nerve-wracking when you're opening these bags if you haven't seen the bag like in the store, because I'm always worried that there's going to be something wrong with it. It has to be returned, but I hope not. Oh. Ta-da! It is in the color chalk. Now, it is such a pretty color. I will say it actually looks a little bit darker than it did online. It looked almost white online. I don't know if it's showing up right in the camera, but here it just looks a little darker, but I do love it. Yeah, here I would say it looks more like, maybe like a little bit like, I don't know, like eggshell, cream. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'd call it, but it's beautiful. It is a beautiful color, and I think this will be great for all of my, late spring and summer outfits, maybe even early fall, because it actually isn't as like white looking as I thought it would be. So, and I like that it has the gold hardware. My other two have the black hardware, but this is just so pretty. And it was originally $350, and with the 30% off, that took it down to $245, and then I had an additional code for another $10 off, so it was $235, obviously, before tax, but there was free shipping. So I think that was pretty good, $235 from $350. So yeah, I'm in love. I'm gonna take everything else off and take a really good look at it after I finish this video, but if you do want one of these bags, I suggest going on the website. I think the only ones are this chalk one and the black that they have right now, but everything's 30% off. And, it's a good chance to pick up a Coach bag right now. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.